Hayi, siyabonga Malindela. I challenged you to provide evidence showing that Commander-in-Chief MK Ubab Jacob Zuma is anti-accountability, and you have done so. And that's evidence yakho la. Kuzomele siyitheste-ke le evidence khona sobona ukuthi does it adequately proves your point na or not. By looking at the merits and the demerits of it, of course. Okay? Okokuqala uthini Malindela uthi Zuma refused to account to PP, Thuli Madonsela. PP stands for Public Protector and Zondo Commission. And yes, besuthi esibili besuthi Jacob Zuma ignored Zondo's summons and the Concord order ethi akaye commission. Okokuqala nje engizokusho nje ngingakayi analyze le evidence onginikezayo nokuthi it is flawed, it is incorrect, and because of that inale yanto engithe yini eqaleni engithe i garbage in garbage out ngayibuye ngayibiza nge fundamental attribution error, because your assertion that Jacob Zuma is anti-accountability is based on a flawed premise that is supported by false evidence. Okay? Now, again, ngisho ke mina ukuthi ngikukushiswa yini lokho. First and foremost, on the first count, you say Zuma refused to account. You wrote to refuse wakho ngama capital letters, which suggest ukuthi we are emphasizing. Okay. When kune report ekhona state of capture public protector's report of 2016 that has made a number of findings but also made a number of recommendations, one of which was that a commission must be established. Lo report le usakwa ifundana lo report le ngoba for you to say this you must have informed by that report. Sengithi ke mina, I am challenging you. This report is 444 pages long. I am challenging you, Malindela, ukuthi please cite where in that report does it say Zuma refused to account to public protector, former public protector Thuli Madonsela. Where in that report? There is nowhere. Zuma participated in public protector Thuli Madonsela's investigations and indeed complied with the recommendations of the public protector by establishing in a commission of inquiry. If a umuntu who is anti-accountability, why would he establish a commission that would hold him accountable? In which you'd have to answer certain questions to. Doesn't make sense. Certainly not adequate evidence to prove that Zuma is anti-accountability. If anything, if I analyze the evidence, it actually proves that Zuma is an accountable person. But secondly, you say he ignored Zondo's summons and the Concord order, eti akaye kwiZondo Commission. Did Zuma not appear on the commission? He did, which means he did not ignore the Zondo summons. When Zuma was called to go and account, he went and he accounted. But out of the realization that he was not being given a fair hearing, he then made an application for Uzondo to recuse himself because he is implicated. Argument was that Zondo was conflicted. Yes, Zondo was conflicted. Of course, omunye umuntu ke ngiyazi ke wena uzosuka uthi why appointa kanjani because phela I commission yona establish uZuma. So appointed, no, a commission was established by Zuma, but the chairperson of the commission was actually appointed by former Chief Justice Mogoeng. Okay? So again, leyo ukuthi uZuma ignored the summons amanga lawo And because iyamanga, it doesn't prove uZuma as umuntu who is anti-accountability. Right? Akaye kuZondo Commission kwabakhona hearing, ngikhulume nge-application uZuma efaka ukuthi uZondo must recuse himself ngoba he was not, uZondo akazange aze abe objective, waye bias, and i-biasness yakhe yazi yabonakala ngisho naye thina ehleli ngaphandle. So Zuma made that application in a spirit of wanting to participate into, ngoba phela it doesn't have anything to hide, of course. But kwenzekani after that application, after it was processed, Zondo, a judge, actually presided kuleya hearing, whereas he was implicated. It did not make logic. If you are implicated, you can't be the player and the referee. The outcome was always going to be ukuthi no, Zondo must not recuse himself, because he wanted to continue being a chairperson. He had a vendetta against him. Okay. Kwaze kwaba ke ukuthi uZuma ngabe esebizwa ke wangabe ke esaya kwi-commission kwa ukuthi uZondo uyisaphi lento, uyisa eConcord. Now instead of iConcord to go back to i-application kaZuma and actually assess it and assess how it was processed, yavela iConcord yajumpa nayo yathi hayi uZuma akeze enkantolo, yavele yathi hayi ithwani. In fact uZuma akaza i-order yayithi aka-appearisha enkantolo, i-order yayithi aka-appearisha enkantolo, wanga-appearisha, and then he was found guilty in absentia or something. So you are wrong on both counts, Malindela. Re-examine the evidence yakho, re-examine it, because it doesn't prove anything. If anything, when we analyze it, when we test it, it proves the opposite of your assertion. Actually, leyo ukuthi uZuma is anti-accountability. Kune report ke yeZondo Commission, ngoba kunabanye abazokutshela ukuthi uZuma sold the country to the Guptas, yara. Kune commission established to investigate that. Again, uma ngabe uzozala usho lokho, mina I'm going to say cite from the report, where does it say Zuma sold the country to the Guptas? You would find that it is not there, because that was a false narrative. That was a false narrative, just like le yakho yokuthi Zuma does not respect law, is not, or that Zuma is anti-accountability. Yebo? Bese ke ngigijima nje quickly ngiyekule ngengabona futhi enye comment la okade ungiphikisa khona uthi wena kulento le ye constitution nama structures, what if. Yazi Malindela, uma ngabe uthe if and then it means now usunginayisho, right? Uqhubekeke ne-argument yakho on the basis of this if, when you have been informed actually the constitution is there and the structures have always been there. What are you supposed to do as a credible person, as a person with integrity? You are supposed to say, then I'm going back to my argument or my narrative and revise it, because clearly it was ill-informed. But you did not do that, which means even if you use the if, but actually you use lento le argument, lento yama constitution nama structures ukuthi awekho ku-MK as the basis for your argument. You have not said, for example, you have not withdrawn your argument even on that, even after, by the way, court did not find in the favor of labantu about 10 abayesa umkhonto enkantolo. Wena usanga uzubuya uzosho ukuthi hayi no, indeed I submit, because the court has actually found, ruled along lines, along the lines that you were actually, arguing for. Awukazuza ukusho lokho, because you clearly usuke ube disingenuous uma ngabe uletha lezi wrong. Njengamanje, go to the two reports I've recommended for you to verify what you call evidence. And indeed, I would appreciate if you come back and say, and Linda Mkhonto la, you were on point and I was wrong. Yabo? ngoba nami ngabe ngitholile ukuthi wena right ngosho ukuthi hayi ubu right lapha mina bengi wrong yabo.